Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us again. We are getting ready to watch episode 2 of Chainsaw Man. And if you've seen episode 1, you might remember a lot happens, a lot of chaos, and the saddest main character ever. So my heart's still broken for him, and I hope...
He's having a rough time, but it's looking up for him.
I mean, he did get all of his body parts back, so that is a plus. I have claimed him as my child, so I hope as his mother that he has a better time this episode. So yeah, let's get started and see what happens. Oh, my baby's hungry.
You're ridiculous.
Listen, oh, see? He's got an anime mom now. Look.
See, he doesn't need you.
Oh, well, she's not very good.
She's not a mom. She's an owner. He's not exactly dead.
汚ねえくせえと言われ近寄られもしなかったこの俺が初めて優しくされた
Do not trust her. She thinks you're a dog.
好き
No.
Well,
No.
he did not listen to that.
Mother does not approve.
チェーンソーで自分の体も切れちゃって血入れすぎて貧血なるみたいっす
どうやってそん
Say
な
that's
体に
pretty
なったの
accurate.
飼ってた悪魔が俺の心臓になったんす
That's the weirdest origin
信じら
story
れないっ
ever.
しょ俺も信じたくないっすよ
I had a pet dog who breaks my heart.
I did the fusion dance with my pet chainsaw.
At least he came out better than Full Metal Alchemist.
信じるよ
Oh, true.
私は特別に鼻が利くんだだからわかる君の親友は君の中で生きて
See?
大丈夫一人で食べれる
食べれません
Oh my god.
あ
This boy.
ーおいしい
Ah.
That's kind of
こん
smooth,
な
you
伸
gotta
びてるう
admit.
どんもおいしいだなんて君はけなげだねデンジ君みたいな人
Oh wow.
Well,
俺じゃん
a surprise to be sure, but a welcome one.
He might get his wish.
マキマさんが俺を好きっつうことは一緒に仕事していくうちにそういう関係になってくんじゃねえか
He is hopeful and moving
そういう
fast.
関係になったらそういう行為もできるんじゃ
And has a one-track
そういう
mind.
行為して
Yeah.
の名前は早川亜希デンジ君より3年先輩今日は早川君についていきな
俺マキマさんと一緒に仕事するんじゃない
Aw,
んすか
heart broke.
そんなわけないだろ
I mean, I'd go hang out with Samurai Man.
I would too. I really like him.
You see him for a total of 10 seconds. I really like him.
I do.
君の
I'm
働
an
きぶり
excellent
が良
judge of
ければ
character.
一緒に仕事できるよ
So I don't think that girl's good for my boy.
Look at her, she's so nice.
She also thinks he's a dog.
だから頑張って
I
ね
mean, you'd be nice to your dog, no?
マキマさんって男いんの
Yes, it's me.
ちょっと来い
Oh.
Excellent judge of character.
I stand by what I said. I am an excellent judge of character.
Okay.
お前仕事やめろ
Maybe you're right.
明日も来たらまたボコるからなお前さマキマさん目当てでデビルハンターなったろピンポーン
See, he's got
じゃあ
his
殴っ
best
て正
interest
解
at
だっ
heart.
たなマキマさんには俺から言っといてやるよお前は悪魔にビビって逃げたってな
It's
I bet
either
they're gonna be besties.
it's either he's doing him a solid or he actually wants Makima.
輩は優しい人なんだな、おい。俺は男と喧嘩するときここしか狙わねえ。マキマさんはな、お前みたいなチンピラが好きになっていい人間じゃねえんだよ。ああ、
I'm leaning towards he wants it.
If this is just like a stupid brawl over a girl, I am going to be so sad.
I think it is. I think it is.
You really did only aim.
先輩が金玉の悪魔に玉を襲われました。
こ
いつの嘘です。
I don't think I want to see that one.
仲良くできそう。仲良くできそうでよかった。
That's one way to put it.
デンジ君は早川君の部隊に入ってもらう。違反を辞職したり違反行動があった場合、デンジ君は悪魔として処
He
分され
becomes
ます。
insubordinate. I think he already covered that when he kicked the other guy in the nuts.
They're just messing
一緒
around
に働こうってこと。
until you die.
お前を見張るため一緒に住むことになった。
See, they're gonna be besties.
殺していいって言われてるからな。
Very strange besties.
ああ、
Yeah.
マキマさんって悪い人なの？そう思うならマキマさんは諦めろ。お前が悪魔なら殺されないだけ感謝しろよ。じゃあいい人なのか？いい人に決まってる。俺の
This is gonna be Nezuko all over again.
抱きてえな。
It really was half a brawl
いちご
about
ジャム。
the woman.
梅ジャム。
Yeah, of course it
オレンジ
was.
ジャムに。
Look at all that jam he's got.
あとシナモンもかけちゃおう。
He doesn't know what he's
最強のパンがで
doing.
きちまっ
He's
た
so
ね。
excited.
You know, I'm glad this is jam and not drugs. This man would be dead.
Look at that face. The horrified face. Maybe he's his mom.
What does he need an axe for?
I don't
義務
know.
教育受けてないのか。
Maybe just to
Oh,
look
look at
more
that.
normal.
This
Since
is
the other guy's got a samurai sword.
人
I
の
don't
死
know.
体を乗っ取った悪魔。それが魔人だ。ああ、それじゃ俺魔人じゃね？違う。魔人は頭の形状が特徴的だ。まあ、見れば一発でわかる。
I see what you mean.
魔人の
Yeah.
人格は悪魔だ。今回はお前が殺せ。
Well, guess I didn't need to become Chainsaw Man.
He's not dead. There's no way.
なんで悪魔の力使わなかった？まあ、俺の力使ってで悪魔を殺すとよ、すっげえ痛そうなんだわ。だから、俺もこいつみてえな魔人になってたかもしれねえからな。それでなんか楽に殺してや
Maybe he
り
is.
たくて。魔人も立派な悪魔だ。デビルハンターが悪魔に同情するな。俺の家族は全員目の前で悪魔に殺された。お前以外全員本気なんだよ。俺は悪魔をできるだけ苦しむように殺してやりたいぜ。お前
Fair
は
enough.
悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか？友達になれる悪魔がいたらなりてえよ。俺友達いねえもん。
Oh, my baby!
そのことは
I
覚え
think
て
you've changed your mind on him like 4 times already.
My baby, no. No,
Well-
he is my child. He makes dumb choices.
Oh,
He's my
okay.
child.
I was gonna say,
本当は
you
エロ
called
本
him
に気をつけ
stupid
たくなか
not
っただけな
10
のに。
minutes ago.
I mean,
チェン
he
ソー
can
にな
be
るとチー
stupid
ト道
and
って
still
汚
my
れちまう
child.
からな。
Okay, fair enough.
楽に殺してやったんだ。これは
Oh
もら
my
ってく
gosh, he
ぜ。
just wanted the magazines. See? Stupid.
よし。エッチ確認。あいつはきっと復讐的なあれだ。あいつらは家族を守ること。マキマさんもなんかあんのか？マキマさんも。胸、揉んでみて。とっくの昔に俺には無理だと諦めてたけど。
This
今の
one
まと
maybe
も
you
な仕
should
事し
just
てる
put
俺な
on.
ら揉めるんじゃねえか。
Huh?
Not worry about.
い
He
きなり
doesn't need
女
to
抱
worry
くの
about
は
that
俺
drink.
には難しい。でも
That
胸
girl
な
will
ら
kill him.
胸なら強い意志
Probably,
と行動力がありゃ揉めるんじゃ。
He's gotta be absolutely sure about that one.
そういうことだったのか。見つけたぜ。俺の本気。
Oh my gosh.
俺のゴール。それは胸
An
だ。
honorable goal.
胸と
I need to smack this boy.
話聞けバカ。
天智くんには今日からバディを組んでもらう。
バディ？
ちょうどよかった。来たみたい。気をつけてね。彼女は魔人だから。
Oh.
おうおう、ひげ伏せ人間、わしの名はパワー。バディとやらはうぬか。
パワー？名前パワー？つうか魔人なの？魔人がデビルハンターなんてやってもいいのか？
Are devils allowed to be devil hunters, my guy? Come on.
まあいいか。よろしくね。
She has boobs. Actually,
魔
she's
人は
fun.
悪魔と同じ駆除対象なんだけど、結果が出せなかったらすぐにでも上の方々が解体しちゃうかもしれない。そうなったら君たちがどうなるかはわかるよね。
I'm nervous for what happens if he sees an evil fiend with boobs.
人間、早くなんか殺させろ。わしは血に飢えてるぞ。
ある程度の理不尽なら辛いよけりゃ許せる。
Well, there you have his
問題は
answer.
どうやって胸を揉むかだ。
Always keep the
も
goal
し
in
年
mind.
間のデビルハンターに彼が君たちを組ませたから。
やろう。俺をはめやがったな。
I can tell they're
パワー
bonding.
と組ませて俺を活躍させないようにして、俺をやめさせる気なんだ。
Maybe he's doing him a favor.
血の匂いじゃ。
練馬の駅前にお願いします。いや、生
Okay, that's cool.
That is cool. I like her.
わしの手柄じゃ。
She's got just the right level of crazy. You don't think
She-
so?
She might be a little leaning on the maybe a little too crazy side. I don't know. We'll
No.
see.
She kills devils. She can make mallets out of her blood. What's not to love?
They were outside a total of 5 minutes, and she slaps him and says, "Find me something to kill."
We don't know how long they were outside.
Okay. Any amount of time, though.
And maybe she's a little extreme. That's okay.
I'm just happy they
okay.
didn't kill that cat.
I was kind of afraid she was gonna try to.
Me too.
Yeah.
I like Samurai Man.
Is it Hayakawa?
Yeah,
Is that his name?
Hayakawa.
I think it's Hayakawa. Yeah, I really like him. I think he seems like a really good guy, a really good friend for my boy.
I just hope his balls are okay.
Me too. Oh my gosh.
We'll never know if he'll be able to have kids now. But
I know. I'm deeply concerned for the amount of times he got kicked there. It's yeah.
and you know, if that's his fighting style, is he gonna like chainsaw some balls later?
I
don't know. I don't think I want to see that, but I kind of
I'm-
do. I'm curious.
Nope. I'm good. I don't need that in my life. There's a lot of things I don't need in life, and that's one of them.
I just got that morbid curiosity, I guess.
Yeah, well, nice.
Yeah.
Well, glad we got to meet more of the team, and now maybe, you know, there's friendship brewing. Hopefully someone can get over their obsession with boobs.
I wouldn't count on that. That's literally his entire goal.
I know, it's very sad.
I have a feeling that's gonna be a recurring
Oh.
theme.
Yeah, me too. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that episode of Chainsaw Man. I know we did. Thank you again for joining us today. And if you liked what you saw, if you enjoy our commentary, or just enjoy being with us, then please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can know when we release new material. Thank you. Bye!
Bye.